Hello everyone. Today we are discussing topic is correlation using with the boundary extractor. Today how to we can use boundary extractor. See, first of all, I'm already record the script. We already discussed how to find the correlation values. And see, today we are login. We have here is the going on session ID is dynamically changing this value. So we can correlate this value using boundary extractor. So you can copy first of all copy this value. Go to the recently. This is the original recorded response. Paste it here and search and select the case sensitive, enable this option and search. This is the login is 39. Before request only will get the response only this value. Oth- Same position will get the same value. No need to correlate this value. Before a request will get that value. Then only we can do the correlation. Before search here. This is a 516 and it 24. So we got the first option. For we are getting the 16 right. So go to the first 16. Go to the response data. You can paste it once again that value here and search here. Here is the value. This is session ID. This is the value. This is the session ID is there. Left boundary, double quotes. This is the right boundary. You can copy this line. Open Notepad, Notepad++. Open the new tab. Paste it here. Once again, paste here. Remove. I'm taking the is equal to this is the left boundary. Double quotes. This is the arrow. I'm taking the right boundary. First of all, I'm copying the left boundary. We'll check this the values are capturing or not using boundary extractor. First of all, we copy this. J session ID is the left boundary. Go to the JMeter. Here is the text is there. Now we have to change the boundary extractor here. Go to the boundary extractor tester. Select the 16 only. Put the left boundary here. Okay. Now go to the right boundary. Copy this. Smudge this. Paste here. Just click on paste. See, this value captured is a match number 1 position. We can give match number 2. This value will go to the will go this value. If you give match number 3, this value will go. But we want to capture the this is the value. We want to capture this is the value only. We want to pass the correlation. So we can give match number 1. First of all, we can go to the this is a 16 transaction. Go to the 16 transaction here. Right click. Go to the add. Go to the post process. Go to the bound the extractor here. Now we can give left boundary and right boundary here. This is the left boundary and give the right boundary. This is the match number. This is very important. Select here is the match number. If you give match number this one, this value will capture. If you give match number this value will come. Let's set the value. So this is the match number is 1. We can give match number is 1. Default value. You can give anything. I'm giving not phone. I'm giving the here is the name of variable. I'm giving the session ID. I'm giving J session ID. Just I'm copying this. Copy this. I'm going putting here. Go to the value here, copy this value. I'm replacing with a variable name. You can copy once after that Control F. It will showing a find value. Find the box, paste it here, search all. So these places that value is going on. I'm replacing with J session ID. Copy this value variable. Taking you dollar open flower packets. Paste the variable name. Closing flower packets. Replace all. Here is a showing still 3 occurrence. Just one second, click on. Now replaced by 0 occurrence. Now it will replace wherever value is going on. See here session ID is replaced. I think address is going on. See here the session ID is going on. Here it is replaced. Here the session ID is going on replaced. So you want to remove this blue line, go to the brush, click on this. It will disappear. Now we done the correlation for login session ID. We did. We want to check is value going on or not. We want to check that variable name. We need to add debug sampler. Click on red group, go to the add, go to sampler, debug sampler, click on debug sampler. Just save it, run it. Go to the debug sampler, go to the response data. This session ID we are able to capture. Okay, this is the way we can do the boundary extractor. We can check the some other examples also for the boundary extractor. Here the source page FP page is going on. We can do for boundary extractor for this also. I want to do for some source page now. Copy this value, Control A, Control C. This is the number is request number is 42. Let's go to back to the previous case. Just reset, remove this value, paste it here, search. See, we find it in 10. This is the we are the value is 42. Before request we find it. Okay. Go to the 39. Go to the response data and paste it here and search it. This is the source page. Copy this. This is the value. This is like the left boundary, right boundary with the values everything. Left boundary, right boundary, everything should be unique. If you give same left boundary, right boundary, it will match all values. Look at the more problems. So you never taken the left boundary, right boundary. It should be give search like a unique values, unique left boundary, right boundary. Otherwise, it will create the problem. See here is the server side generated some space. You don't give remove this space. This is also response only coming. Don't remove response coming. Don't give spaces there. Don't remove this kind of spaces. This is coming from the server side. Okay. This is I'm considering this is the left boundary. I'm considering this to this as a right boundary. We will check this is capturing or not. That value you are able to capturing or not. We can check now. Copy this value. Go to 39. Go to the text. Select the boundary extractor. Here is the left boundary. You can consider this is the right boundary. Paste it here. Paste. See, this is the two place occurrence. This value, that boundary, but this is the value we are capturing. This is the value different. This is the value SW 0. You can search check it. This both values, which one is correct or not. Just copying this. Go to the notepad. Press. Press the enter. Paste it here. Which value is correct? See, this is the first value is not our value. We are getting match number two position. So we can give match number two. This is the second value. So we can go to the say 39 request, add, post process, go to the bond extractor, go to the visual tree, copy the left boundary, right boundary. See, here is the match number. What is the match number? What is the position we are getting? Match number position is 2, not for 1. We are capturing this is the value. This is the our boundary value. This is the source page value. We give match number 2. So I'm giving variable name source page. Okay. Once we are done with what the here is the source page. Copy this value. Control A, Control C, Control F. I'm removing this value. Just search it all. 1+1 only going on. Copy this variable name. Remove this. This is the old variable name. Update with the source page. Just replace all. Now we're successfully done with correlation source page. Now we want to go with FP value also. Just go to the FP. Control A, Control C. This name is 42. Paste it here. Search it. There's the finding 39. Paste it here. Case sensitive. This search it. This is the FP value. Copy to this much. Doing this. So this is the our value. Y minus these are the value. Before that we can consider as a left boundary. After that after this value this is considered as a right boundary. This to this double quotes. So I'm copying this. Select here. Boundary test extractor. Paste here. Another copy with right boundary. You can paste here. Paste. See, we are getting two values here, same boundaries. What is the our value? One match number one position, second position. We can check it now. 197. Last is the value 197. This is the value second position. We can give match number two only. This is also. Go to this is 39 request. Go to the 39 request. Go to the add post process boundary extractor. Copy this value. Copy this value. Paste here. Match number give 2. Okay, I'm giving variable names C FV not found. Copy this value, paste it here. Now go to the login, copy this value, paste here, search. We find one place only, just to replacing with this CFP variable. Remove this also the also is old value, old variable name. Just replace all. Once we are completed, source space and FP value with the correlation. Just we have to check it is going or capturing or not. Save it once whenever we want to save it. See FP value we are able to capture. Session ID we want to capture. Source space we are able to capture the value. Okay. Next we want to check this different login is completed. Now we want to check the categories. Here's the category. We categories there are different type of categories there. Dog, fish, reptiles. They're different. There are different type of so categories available. But every time going category is a fish only. So we need to correlate this value also. We want to every time we want to send a different categories like a dog. Next time we want to check the dogs. Next time we want to check the send the reptiles. So this is the way real time. Every time not will go the fish. So real time we want to every time come check with the different categories. So this is how we need to correlate now. So capture this value fish. The categories number is 55. Request is number is 55. For request we find the value. Reset. Remove this value. Search 55. You can check with the categories like all will values will capture. See here the fish available. See view category fish category ID. You can capture this value this to this much. Copy. We can removing this. So this is the fish is our value. Left side is a left side boundary. After fish double quote is also white boundary. You can check with how many values we are capturing or not. Go to the text boundary text extractor. Paste it here. Right boundary and double quotes. This is considered white boundary. We'll get this boundary. We'll get all categories. Paste. So we find fish, dog, reptiles, cats, everything. So this is the responses we are getting captured. So this is something different data also we are able to capture. That boundaries are not properly we are captured. We can check once again. Different boundaries. Copy fish, paste, case sensor circuit. Search one more place. Here are something value is going on. Yeah, here is going on some fish. This is the some categories available here. We can take this view category. We can take this to this much. We can check. I'm taking this value is a left boundary. What double chord shape? This much I'm taking as a right boundary. I'm just testing. See, now I'm able to perfectly capture the degrees only this bound extractor. This left bound, right bound I'm using birds, fish, dogs, reptiles, cats, birds. So we're able to capture this the proper left and right boundary. I'm using this only. This one. Now go to the this is the request number 16. Where is the 16? Here is the request number 16. Go to the here. Go to the add. Go to the put process. Go to the bound extractor. Go to the visibility. Copy this as a left boundary. Copy this is the right boundary. Here is the match number. What will give? See, if you give match number, it will go the buts only. It will go. If you give match number two, which only will go. If you give match number three, it will go. Every time it will go ducks only. If you give match number four, reptiles will go. But real time, every time user not select the buts only. Every time not select the fish only. Every time not select the ducks only. So real time, some users select the birds, some users select the dogs, like someone is good the cats, like that. So randomly we can pick the these all options. Sometimes pick the birds, sometimes pick the dogs. Then randomly we want to pick the value is you give a match number is zero. Zero means randomly pick the values. Okay. I'm giving I'm giving I'm giving here variable name C category. I'm pasting here. Default value is not found. Go to the categories here. Search this copy this value. You can replace this value. Remove this option. Give the dollar. Open for brackets. Close for brackets. Give the value. Just go to the view result tree. Save and just run it. Go to the DB sampler. See, now we received categories birds. This is random pick the birds only. Same once again I will run. Next time what will be we can check now. See, now once again I'll pick the same value. I'm on to run multiple iterations. I'm giving loop count 5. Just I'm clearing all. I'm saving. Just I'm running. Now we need to check the randomly how it is going on. See now category now it pick the reptiles. It randomly pick the reptiles now. Now we pick the birds only. Randomly it pick. Now once again pick the birds only. Now it pick the birds only once again. Now pick the reptiles. This is the way we can use the bone extractor. Thank you. If any doubts, ping me on